Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to schedule auto power on and auto power off on your DREAME TV. First of all, we have to open the quick settings menu by pressing the gear button on the remote control, and after that select all settings, then scroll down to system, and in system settings we're gonna have to select power and energy, then scroll down to the very last option on this list, which is scheduled power on and off. Now, in power on time type, we have to either select on if you want the schedule to work every day, or once if you only want it to the schedule powered on to be activated once. Then in the following in the following option, you're gonna have to select the time for auto power on of your TV, and press OK to apply changes. And in power off time type, we also have to select either on or once to schedule it, and then select set auto power off time in the following menu. Now the last menu will let us schedule auto power off after turning on your TV. So here we can select any value from this list, and the TV will work for exactly this much time after being turned on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.